A flashing red light on your Sunbeam electric blanket is an important warning signal that should never be ignored. This flashing light indicates a problem with your blanket, often related to safety features or a malfunction that needs immediate attention. The flashing light can indicate various problems, including loose connections, heating element malfunctions, power interruptions, or issues with the control module. Your Sunbeam blanket contains sophisticated internal safety systems with multiple components that continuously monitor operation and detect potential safety issues. Physical damage, such as frayed wires, loose connections, or damaged components, can trigger the safety systems and cause the warning light to flash. Remember, never ignore a flashing red light on your electric blanket. Address the issue promptly to ensure safe operation and prevent potential hazards. When your Sunbeam electric blanket shows a flashing red light, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check all connections. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into the wall outlet and the control connector is firmly attached to the blanket module. Step 2. Reset the blanket completely. Unplug the power cord from the wall, disconnect the control from the blanket, wait 10 to 20 minutes, then reconnect everything in reverse order. Step 3. Carefully inspect the blanket and all cords for visible damage. Look for frayed wires, burn marks, or damaged fabric. If you find any damage, discontinue use immediately for safety. Step 4. Check for specific error codes on your controller display. Common codes include F1 for connection issues, E2 for overheating, and FF for control problems. Consult your user manual for specific solutions. Step 5. Try alternative solutions. Test the blanket in a different electrical outlet to rule out power supply issues. If available, test with another compatible controller to isolate the problem. Step 6. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, contact Sunbeam customer support for professional assistance or warranty claims. They can provide specific guidance for your blanket model. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help you identify and resolve most electric blanket issues safely. Always prioritize safety and discontinue use if you discover any damage.